Hey guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. Today we're going to scrap an Imac. That thing you see hanging off the screen, that's actually the camera. And now we're just removing some speakers. Nice, look at that. It's just a basic working computer, just like a desktop, but everything is crammed in to that little screen. Now the background noise you hear, that's just my dryer. Don't worry about that. I think this was very well put together. Now I had to use a torque wrench to remove a lot of these screws. There you go. And I noticed that a lot of these pieces of equipment, like this hard drive, has the Apple symbol on it, which I thought was pretty cool. Now that's my daughter laughing. Now that is a power supply, and it also has the Apple symbol on it. Now this piece here that I'm cutting, I've seen this a lot on TVs, but I'm not really sure what this is. Now this is just a piece of steel. I guess it's for a harness. There's a little memory, little RAM board. And there is the motherboard. Now right there is the CPU. Yeah, typical CPU. Wasn't a Pentium 4 or anything. It just didn't really say anything. Now that's another piece of steel. Now I'm removing the bracket that actually, or we'll call it the stand, what holds up the TV monitor. There you go, nice piece of aluminum. Now let's see what's behind or inside this TV screen. This is a typical mid-grade board. I find this a lot in LCD monitors. A little gold on it. There's a piece of steel here. Piece of plastic that can be recycled. Now the camera's fuzzing out here because I guess it's a black background with a white center there, and it has nothing else to focus on. So I apologize for that. Now for something like this, see me pulling, I would definitely put on some gloves. Piece of plastic. This here is non-magnetic stainless steel. It's not aluminum, it's non-magnetic stainless steel. And for the last piece, nothing. Piece of plastic. All can be recycled. Now let's see how much everything weighs. We have 4.6 ounces of steel, 0.9 ounces for the heat sinks, 0.88 ounces for the motherboard, RAM not registering, CPU not registering. This is a mid-grade board, 9 ounces, hard drive 1.41 pounds, power supply 0.6 ounces, 2 pounds 4 ounces for the aluminum base, 6 ounces for low grade, 6 ounces of wire. Alright guys, that's what's in an iMac. Please comment, like, subscribe. Till then guys, peace!